You are welcome in this lecture series or dairy lecture series, dairy school lecture series. And I am telling you very important thing today. The thing is that you should have thermometer when your cow is calving. Get ready to measure its temperature, because no sooner the temperature is down 100, you are in trouble. That is a sign that there is a calcium deficiency, heart is not working properly. If it touches 98 or 96, then animal will lie down or it will die for sure. Now, in the absence of the calcium, the four things happen. There can be prolapse of uterus. This is a very pathetic condition. The whole uterus will come out after delivery. There will be dystocia. The bacha is not coming out. This is second thing. And the other thing is that there is the mastitis. Mastitis is there, and these you see the mastitis is there, and of course the milk fever will also take place. So these three or four things: milk fever, mastitis, dystocia, and prolapse of uterus. They are the biggest hindrance in dairy. This thing, and the thing is that you should give calcium to your animal. You should have calcium in gel form. So many gels are available. Transmix is available. Calvita is available. The Virbac is also providing calcium, and there is a Virgel. So you should have in hand. You should give it 12 घंटे पे. Every 12 hours you should give it, and you should keep on measuring the temperature of the animal. If temperature, there will be retention of placenta as well in this case, and the milk production will go down. So for this I am suggesting you very simple thing. One thing is that you double the amount of the mineral mixture. Suppose you are adding 100 grams of mineral mixture in 10 kg of ration, then you add 200 grams. Another thing what you are supposed to do is you give animal 50 grams of Maxelf and 50 grams of Nosada, that ammonium chloride. So that will release, that was through parathyroid gland, and that will release lot of calcium from bones. The calcium source in the animal is from bones, or it is absorbed under the influence of vitamin D. So, and then of course whatsoever calcium you are giving, in which form you are, if it is ionic calcium or if it is gel, then it will work. Or if you are infusing intravenously, Myfex or something like that, then you should infuse some of this subcut also. So it will be released slowly, because when you give intravenous injection, the calcium level shoot up, and thereafter it goes so down that you are again in trouble. So be aware and don't do two things simultaneously. If you have given gel, then don't infuse this thing. Otherwise, the calcium level will go drastically up. There are so many calcium supplement. In my animal, I am using Transmix. Calvida is there and calcium is there. Before cow is calving, just at the time of calving, you should have. I am again repeating that there will be, the biggest danger is prolapse of uterus. If this occurs, then there is no remedy. And of course, there is a mastitis that will take place, very severe mastitis. The chances of mastitis are 9 times. Then there will be dystocia, and then there will be retention of placenta. So these three things, they will occur simultaneously, and You see, this is retention of placenta. So this is the first sign that the animal is deficient. Then there will be milk fever. The animal will lie down, and if not taken care of, if it is not infused, this thing, calcium from outside, then it may die. Then there may be ketosis also, because the gluconeogenesis provide glucose from fat, and fat is mobilized. So far there are so many substances now available in the market, and you should take care of both ketosis and this milk fever, and eventually you will not suffer of the prolapse of uterus and retention of placenta, mastitis, and dystocia. These are big problems at the time of calving. So beware of this thing. Thank you very much for listening. Hope you will feed Maxelf and this ammonium chloride Nasada, 50 grams each daily at the before calving and just before calving, and keep on feeding it up till the 40th day of this thing. And then vitamin D is important, and infusion of calcium is important. So with this, I finish my this talk on this very important issue of the this prolapse of uterus. In prolapse of uterus, the animal revives, but it is very its production goes drastically down. So is the case with the mastitis. So is the case milk fever. That can be treated. There is no after effects of that thing, but milk production will reduce for sure. Thank you very much for listening. If you like this talk, then please subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you very much. My telephone number is 8979748686. चलिए.